You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the Spanish word and name. This means, well, it's first of all, just 1 second, we're going to be looking at how to say more Mexican dish names as well. Yes, it's a name of a dish in Mexican cuisine. It also literally means little big one. Gordo, it means big or a bit fat sometimes, and ita means small. So anyhow, in Spanish it's said as gordita, gordita, gordita. So in English you could say it as gordita, gordita, or Spanish again, gordita. So if you would talk also like of a little girl, for example, you could say she's gordita. It's kind of a not pejorative, just means little, but a little round and large. Let's say gordita is how to say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.